Wore rash guards that I can still feel their hair through the rash guard. Good match. Match his hand position and head position. Very good. It's okay, Mike. Scramble up. Scramble, scramble. Don't stop there, Mike. Don't settle. Good, Mike. Let's get to guard. Yes. Bring your knees to your chest. Do not drop your right knee to your... Yes. Drive, drive, drive. Settle, Mike. Don't let him put you in guard. Drive your shoulder in hard. Get back up, Mike. Hug his head with your right arm, Mike. Hug his head with your right arm. Stay on top. Get back up. The scramble's not done, Mike. The scramble's not over. You're still fighting. You're still fighting. Make your frames. Make your frames. Get your frames inside, Mike. Your forearms protect your ribs. It's okay. Frame on his hips, Mike. Start bridging, Mike. Start bridging. Turn, 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 turn. Don't stop bridging, Mike. Mike, don't stop bridging. Don't stop bridging. Grab your hands together, Mike. Grab your hands together. Frame your elbow into his neck. Try to make some space just to breathe. You can survive here. Make some space. Yes, keep bridging. Get that elbow above your head, Mike. You can escape. You can escape. Don't stop. Don't stop bridging, Mike. Don't stop. Don't stop. The more he settles, he's going to get it tighter. Keep bridging, Mike. Keep bridging. Make that space in your neck. Make that space. Better, better, better. Good. Good. Yes. It's okay. You're out of the sub. Get up. Let's get back to half guard. Use the underhook, Mike. Underhook on your left side. No, turn to your right. Turn to your right. Turn to your right. Yes. Go to the back. Go to the back. You can get out of that. Go to the back. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Hands are ready, Mike. Hands are ready. Let's get inside position. Try to get to a perpendicular angle. Come on. Give some pulls. Get some pushes. Inside position, Mike. Don't let him dominate grips. Get inside, Mike. Come on. I need you to score, Mike. I need you to hustle till you score. Get up, Mike. Get up, get up. Get back to guard, get back to guard. Good, let's go to sweep. Wrestle up, wrestle up. Get on a leg right now, Mike. Get back up, get on a leg. It's okay. Let's shoot, Mike, let's shoot. Get some snaps and shoot, Mike. Don't stop, don't stop. Pull his head down, get inside ties and start shooting, Mike, come on. Don't stop there, Mike, keep driving. Mike, what do we do when he posts on your shoulders? Fight those hands, Mike. Don't let him control you. Good. Mike, I need you to shoot. Mike, I don't want you to stop moving until you score. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Don't stop shooting until you score, Mike. Don't stop moving until you score. Come on, Mike, come on. Let's get sweeps, Mike. Come on. Wrestle up, wrestle up. Fight his hands and wrestle up, Mike. It's okay. Get your guard back. Turn in, turn in, turn in. Don't go for his neck. Get frames. Bridge, bridge, bridge this way. Bridge hard this way, Mike. Get your frames in, Mike. Get your frames in. Get your frames in. Nice.